Hello everyone and welcome to this Budgety demo. In the dynamic world of project management, staying on top of your project's finances is crucial for successful project execution. That is why today we're introducing Budgety, a simple and intuitive app that provides control over project budgets and cost tracking. For this demo, we'll show you how to use Budgety by adding a project budget, adding the project costs, and also we'll check out some Budgety reports. So to get started, simply access Budgety from the Jira apps menu. As soon as Budgety is loaded, we'll see Budgety's main page with some reports. But if we want to add budget and costs, we'll need to search for the project that we want to add the budget to. For example, the Hoover Dam. Okay, let's say that we have some money to work in this project. So for example, we have $10,000. It's not that much, but let's write down $10,000 that we have in the budget. If we hit up update budget, we'll see that the remaining budget will be updated with that amount of money. The incurred cost will also be updated as soon as we add costs. So let's add some costs. For example, labor expenses. Now we'll need to choose the type of cost. For example, OPEX, a day-to-day expense for regular business operations, or CAPEX, long-term investments in assets. For now, let's choose OPEX because labor expenses are a day-to-day expense. Now we'll need to choose between direct and indirect costs. Directs are related to the project production and indirect not directly tied to the project. Let's choose direct. Now let's choose if the cost will be based on logged work or not. This means that Budgety will calculate the cost per hour by the logged work by the user that we are selecting right now. So the calculations will be made as soon as we hit the add cost button. Okay, let's add the dates from the 6th of November to the 10th of November. And now it's time for the cost per hour, which is $100. So as soon as we click on add costs, the calculations will be made and we'll have one more cost added to our project. With all the calculations, we'll have 5 hours that have been logged to this project by $100 equals $500 in total as a cost of labor expenses. Check that incurred cost has also been updated. If we refresh this page, we'll be able to add one more cost. For example, we just bought new computers. Okay, this is a CAPEX cost because it's a long-term investment, and it's an indirect cost because it's not directly tied to this project. It's not based on low work either, so we don't want that. But we need to choose the assignee, which is the project manager, Leo Diaz, and the date we bought the computer was November 1st. And how many computers? We bought 2 computers, okay? And the cost per unit is $3,000. So as soon as we enter that cost and we add that cost to the list, we'll see that the list has increased and the incurred cost also has been increased by a lot of money. Now shows $6,500. So if we return to all project budgets, we'll see the reporting of Budgety with the project that we have just updated with the budget, the total cost, and the remaining budget for the project, and the charts that show that information that we just entered. We also can see the CAPEX and OPEX costs right there with the budget, total cost, remaining budget, and the direct and indirect costs there in that project with their charts too, and the information that we have just entered. The same happens for CAPEX and OPEX. We have a chart with that information. And now if we go back to summary, we'll see the complete and total numbers for your projects. So I hope that this demo was useful, and do not hesitate to try Budgety out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.